Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Today I wanted to do an Amazon haul just because I love Amazon. I'm always shopping on there and I always find like some really good stuff, so I thought I would share some with you guys. I wish that when I buy something off Amazon, I could literally press place order and then 2 seconds later the product appears in my hand. Waiting on that Amazon, like, I have a bunch of stuff that I want to share with you guys that I really love, that I repurchased from Amazon, or stuff that I've recently purchased and really enjoy. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. So for starters, I want to talk about these beauty sponges. I've mentioned them before in my Jackie Aina video. I really love these sponges. Like, I've been buying these sponges for quite some time now. I think in that video I said I've been buying them for like less than a year, but I think I've actually been buying them for longer than that. You get 5 in a pack. I just currently am using the other pink one, so that's why there's one missing, but these sponges are really great. They're very affordable, still cheaper than the beauty blender, which I will literally never spend my money on because it's like $20 or $30 for one sponge. I think that's like really ridiculous. If you guys love the beauty blender and you want like a good dupe, I definitely recommend these sponges. These are what the sponges look like. Honestly, they're really soft, they're really delicate on your face, so they're not going to feel hard. I hate when beauty blenders are hard, or beauty sponges are hard. They have really good reviews on Amazon. Highly recommend because they're very affordable, and when you get them, make sure you wash them. Like, always wash your brushes and your sponges before you use them first, because they are made in a factory, so it's just better that you wash them first. How I wash my sponges and my brushes is I just buy the Dove soap, the sponge or my brushes on the Dove soap, and I just rinse them, I squeeze them out, and I keep doing that until they're all clean. So I definitely recommend you guys do that every time you use your sponges. That will make them last longer. If you don't wash them, just think about all the bacteria that is inside the sponges when you're reusing them. You know, like, it's kind of gross. So that's how I maintain my sponges, and they do last me quite a while. I would say one of these sponges will last me like a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe of everyday use, maybe like 6 days a week. So the next products are these razors, these facial razors. I love these. I have been using these for years. Ever since Carly Bible was like, I shave my face, I was like, you know what, I need to shave my face too. If y'all don't shave your face, what are you doing? You haven't been living your best life without shaving your face. Like, don't lie, don't act like you don't have a little stash. You know you got a little cute little fuzzy peach stash. I use these for all over my face, and I even shave my arms with them. And don't lie, don't act like you don't have hair on your arms. Shave my face maybe like every 2 weeks. Whenever I notice like my stash coming back, I'm like, it's time to shave. They last quite a while. Like, if you're using one of them every 2 weeks, like, it'll last you a few months. When I shave my face, my hair doesn't grow back in like a manly way, you know what I mean? Like, I don't recommend shaving your face with like an actual razor. I would recommend doing it with this because it won't make your hair grow back coarse. And I find it's the same with my arms. Like, I don't have to worry about my arms growing back thick. I would say I shave my arms every month. Trust me, like, once you start shaving your face, you will notice a difference with your makeup application. It'll go on much smoother. There are tons of videos using these types of tools, and you could just go check them out. I would recommend checking out Carly Bible's one. I felt hers was really informative. I definitely recommend picking this off of Amazon and not going to a Winners or Sephora because their prices are ridiculous. I don't know why they feel the need to charge like so much money for these when you could just get it on Amazon for so much cheaper. So definitely get them on Amazon. Use Amazon Prime. It'll come in a few days or even like the next day, and you don't have to worry. Next beauty related product are these Real Technique makeup brushes. I've had these for years and I really like them. Like, I still use them to this day, and they are really soft, by the way. Like, all of these brushes are super soft. I forgot my other brush in the other room. I'm too lazy to get it, but it's basically the blush brush, and I use that every day and I love it. And these brushes are great because they don't shed. Like, I don't think they've ever shed since I've had them, and I've had them for years, so they hold up really nice. The packaging is really good. They're very sturdy, they're very firm. I don't recommend going into Walmart or Rexall or wherever they sell them because they do mark it up, whereas Amazon doesn't. So if I were you, maybe just look out for sales if you would like them immediately. If not, I definitely recommend Amazon. Okay, so last beauty product No, I lied. Not last beauty product. I still have more. I have like one more. I recently watched Tony's Amazon haul. I'll link it below so you guys can see. I picked up a few things that she mentioned in her haul and like I really like them, so I'm gonna share them with you guys today. She got these, and these are basically microfiber face cloths. When I was on my recent trip, I was thinking about the face halo, which I think is Chloe Morello's product, and I literally did not say that I wanted that product to a living soul. I didn't type it in Google. I didn't search Chloe Morello on Instagram. I didn't do anything. And then all of a sudden, maybe like a few hours later, Face Halo comes up on my Instagram feed as an ad. And I was like, do I have a microchip in my brain? Cause what the hell, like I did not mention this to a living soul. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just try and pick up something off Amazon. And then Tony did a video and she shared these, so I was like, it's clearly meant to be. So I bought them and I do really like them. They are really big. It's like the size of my face. So how I use them is I wet them under warm water, I put my cleanser, and I just rub gently all over my face. I do really like using these because I find that when I wash my face with cleanser using my hands, I don't get all the makeup out of my skin, so I tend to break out. I tend to get more oily, so using these really helps cleanse my skin properly. And another thing that I really like about them is that I can get like every area of my face that I put foundation on. So I always put foundation on my neck and my ears, so this helps me reach all those places and make sure that they're clean. Another thing that I really like about this is that like it absorbs all the foundation, so when my face is completely wet, I can just wring it out and then dry my face with it. If I'm not using this cloth and I'm just using my hands and I go and wipe my face on my towel, you can see the ring of foundation on my towel, which really sucks. So I like using these, so yeah, really like them. Okay, last beauty thing is the Mario Badescu facial mist, and I usually get the one with lavender. I think it smells really nice and I really like these. They're kind of like an OG. This bottle lasts me, I would say, like, I don't know, four months. I don't know, something like that. Like it lasts me quite a long time. I haven't repurchased it yet because I'm trying out the Morphe continuous spray. I really like that one, but I feel like I'm gonna go through those really quickly because it's an aerosol. So I may switch back to this one, not sure. But yeah, I really like these. If you guys want like an affordable, good smelling setting spray, then I definitely recommend checking it out. This is so heavy. So the next beauty related product that I got off Amazon maybe 4 years ago, doesn't really matter, but it's this beauty holder thing. I really like it. I kind of just keep my lipsticks in there that I never use, so love that. So it comes with the 3 containers, which I just put like my lipsticks in. I guess like you can put like eyeliners if you want, but yeah, I've got like my lip liners down here, and then at the top I just have like my MAC lipsticks, or you can put anything in there really that would fit, but I think they're mainly made for lipsticks, or you could put like perfume samples. One thing I wish was different was maybe that if this was like the entire length of the makeup container, because I have so many facial creams and I just wish I could put them all here rather than having them sit on my actual counter. So I think you can pick different options when you want to buy this, but this is the one that I bought and it's honestly been doing fine. Like I really like it. At the back, I just have like some under eye creams, another lip liner. Oh yeah, my cute little razor thing, so I could put them there. So you could fit like a few things back here. So you can stack them if you wanted to get like another one of the drawers, or you could just not buy this if you want. Like it's very versatile. You can pick whichever one that you like. So another favorite of mine is this jewelry holder. I really love this jewelry holder so much. Like it fits all my jewelry, which is great. To be honest, I feel like I could even do one more stack and that would probably be enough, but I kind of just layer some of my jewelry within like each compartment, so I'll show you guys. So basically you buy them separately. So it comes with 3 drawers. There are little compartments, and at the top I kind of just keep my rings and like my little dainty jewelry and my earrings. These are the ones that I mainly wear like most frequently. And then the second drawer, I kind of just have some earrings, some rings, and some bracelets. And then here I've got like some necklaces and I layer them. You can also pick which like compartments you want. Like if you want like a long one like this, you can do that. Or if you want like one like this where you can fit like bigger earrings or something like that, you can definitely order those. So here I just have like my fancy earrings or I wear for vacation. Okay, so another product that I have for you guys, it's kind of not really beauty related, but it's just for your nails. So I bought this electric nail drill. I love this. The reason why I picked this up is because when I get acrylic nails, I don't like going and having them take them off. I don't know why, I just don't want to pay for them to remove it because like I feel like I could just do it myself. It shows you like over here on the packaging how many drill heads that it comes with. So it comes with 11 types of drill heads and 6 nylon wheels. This is what it looks like. I already have one of the like the little shaver things on. It doesn't hurt to take off your nails at all. It's pretty much just like sanding them down. Just make sure when you get to your actual nail you stop sanding, like you don't like, you know, damage your nail beds. I think they're really easy to use. I really recommend it. Here are some of like the little heads that it comes with, and it gives you like more of the sanding thing. And then if that wasn't enough, they give you a whole baggie of the sandy things, which is amazing. These are like the little fuzzy ones. They all have like their own purpose, which comes with the manual, but I don't like to read. So I kind of just look at the pictures and like the title and I'm like, oh, okay. So that's what you use them for? Cool. But I haven't really used these. I think they're meant to like make your nail look shiny, like stuff like that. Please don't judge me. Really cool. Haven't used them yet, but I like that it comes in its own little container so you don't have to worry about them getting like lost or dirty. And then if that wasn't enough, there's more. So it came with a nail filer, which is great because you don't have to go out and buy one. And these are like, I don't know, like a few dollars. So I have been doing my own nails at home, like with gel, and they've been lasting at least a week, which is good enough for me. Really love them. And then if you think that was enough, there's more. So it also comes with this. Oh, true. So it comes with this, and as you can see, there are nail clippers, there's some scissors, there are tweezers. I really don't know what this is, but like that's there. And then it comes with this like little cute thing over here, which I use to scrape off the nail polish when I'm doing them, just so it doesn't like get all over my fingers. All this for $35, like that's insane. Another thing that I picked up that is related to nails are these little tools. They both came together, which I thought was great, so I didn't have to buy them each separately, and I thought it was really affordable. I love using this. I always get like the little hangnails or whatever they're called. So I just kind of like cut them off, cut my cuticles off with this, and all is good. I picked up these straws. So I picked up 2 different sets of straws. I literally went on Amazon and I was like, gold metal straws, because I wanted my straws to be gold. I didn't want the like boring metal ones. So I found these. I would say though that the hole is like fairly small, so you probably won't be able to drink like a smoothie out of it. Another thing I would say about these straws is they kind of taste a little bit metally. It's not unbearable where it's like you're drinking your drink and all you taste is metal. Definitely like it's kind of there, you know what I mean? When I was at my friend's house, he's like, yeah, I got these straws from Amazon, check them out, but if you really want, you should get the glass straws. And I was like, say less. So the next day I literally ordered both of them. These are them. The glass straws I actually prefer over the gold ones. It's just preference. So obviously you don't get any weird taste when you're drinking out of this. One thing I would say is really annoying about this straw is that she thick, you know, like you definitely feel it there. Obviously like the hole is like a bit like bigger, so that's good. You can definitely drink a smoothie out of this. All of these straws are dishwasher friendly, which is great, so I'm happy about that because I'm so lazy. I don't like doing the dishes, but they come with these cute little like straw cleaner things. And you get a bunch, by the way, they don't just give you one. Yeah, they're easy to clean. Another thing that I like about the glass straws over the metal straws is that you can see that they're clean. You can see that there's nothing in it. Whereas with the metal straws, I low-key have a phobia of like there being something inside the straw. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but you know, like maybe you just didn't clean it properly and there's still some like of your leftover drink from the night before, and you go to drink your new drink and you taste something weird, like, I don't know. I have a really irrational fear of that. So another reason why I like the glass straws, and they're really cool looking. So yeah, if you guys want to pick them up, definitely recommend. Another staple for me that I'm always buying because I keep buying too many clothes. Both me and Mark have way too many clothes, but you know what? It's cool. I'm not mad at it. These hangers. I'm sure you've seen them in my haul videos. Really affordable. Like, if you were to buy this at Winners, you would get 15 or 20 and it would be like $25 or something like that. If you've gone to Winners to look for these type of velvet hangers, you would know that they're overpriced. Whereas when you go to Amazon, it's so much more affordable, comes to your door the next day, and they're really sturdy. I'm not gonna lie though. I have broken a few of these, so just keep that in mind that this hanger part does not move, so it's not adjustable, because if you try and move it, like, it'll work, it will move, but then the next time that you go to use a hanger, it'll like literally just fall off. Obviously they are bendable and flexible, but you can break them. I have broken them in half. I really love these. They are really great. I love that they're velvet so they can keep my clothes on them, but you know, there are a few things about them that kind of suck, but it's totally fine. Like, it's really not that big of a deal. So the next thing that I usually buy off Amazon, because I feel like it's a bit cheaper than Walmart or Superstore or any other like grocery store that you can get this at. Sometimes maybe Walmart could be cheaper. Just keep an eye out on it, but I usually get my protein powder from Amazon. This is the one that me and Mark like using. It tastes so amazing. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's the Whey Isolate and it's a chocolate version, so it has 110 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, no sugar in it. So if you guys love drinking protein smoothies, definitely recommend this. So good. When I told you guys this haul was random, like, I actually meant it. It's so random. The next thing that I picked up were these gloves. I'm sure you've seen ads from this on Instagram, because I have, and I'm like, who the hell, why the hell is this on my feed? Like, report, scam, don't want to see this ad. I saw this in Tony's Amazon haul and I've been seeing ads for them. She said that she really liked them. Like, she originally picked them up as a joke because she wanted to like try them out with her boyfriend because he does dishes and he hates touching the food, which like I can high-key relate to. I think that's so gross. I picked them up too because I'm like, Mark likes doing the dishes. Probably doesn't like it, but I don't like doing them, so he just does them. You know, the dishes that don't go in the dishwasher. I hate those. So yeah, I bought these for him and he tried them and he did like them because he likes the idea of having just to put soap and you lather your hands and you can use that to wash the dishes. But his feedback was that they kind of were slippery when he was doing the dishes. So I cleaned the shower with these when I got them, and honestly it was really easy. I just put the cleaning product in the palm of my hands and I just like washed down like the shower and it cleaned it good. So I was really happy about that. And then you can just rinse out the product and then, you know, wipe it down with the gloves. So I really like that you don't have to touch anything with these gloves while you're cleaning, so A+ for me. It was also easy because before, like, cleaning the shower was a struggle because the sponge collects a lot of bacteria. So with these, you literally can just do your cleaning and then wash them with soap, wash your hands with soap while wearing these, and then hang them up to dry and they're clean. So you don't have to worry about like a dirty sponge just sitting there collecting more like nastiness. If you're a germaphobe like me, you'll probably like these to clean, so I definitely recommend. So yeah guys, that is my Amazon haul. I hope you enjoyed maybe some of these things that I've shown you guys that you'll want to pick up and you'll love just as much as I do. If you do pick anything up, or if you have anything that I currently have and you love it, please share it with me. I would love to know. And if you recommend anything that I need on Amazon, I'm down. Please share that in the comment section. I would love to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone who's supporting me with YouTube. So thank you so much guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.